Hey y'all! Hi. It's officially stepdaddy season. Yeah, what up? I got the car seat in the back. Let's go to the park. Don't let your baby mama or your baby daddy block your blessings. I know in theory it sounds good keeping the same person to have kids with, but that's insanity as well. So if it doesn't work out with them, it'll work out with someone else. Okay? It just will. That's how that goes. And trust me, I know it's ghetto. It is so ghetto being a baby mama, and thinking about multiple baby daddies is scary. But me and my baby gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. So we're moving forward, onward, and upward.
She's quoting Beyonce's song saying, "Me and my baby gonna be all right." Beyonce's with her man, but you left yours. If you follow those lyrics from Beyonce, you'll be single. But you see that Beyonce's doing something totally different from what she said in that music. She has her man. But yeah, she and her baby, they'll be alright because PJ Washington, she'll be running his pockets for the next 18 years. And you know whose fault that is? PJ Washington. Everybody knew about Britney. She's no chameleon. It was already documented the type of woman this is and what he was dealing with. He didn't pay attention, or maybe he didn't care. And for the ladies who want to follow Britney did that, but this will not work for you. This is not a feasible plan. And as much as I think it's not a good idea to become a stepdad, you still have a lot of thirsty men out there. So is Britney right? Could it really be stepdad season? Well, we're about to test that out. But before we get into it, I want to thank all of the new subscribers to this channel. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any updates. And include the words "new subscriber" in your comment, and I'm going to respond to you. So this is a couple in Atlanta, Georgia. Comes from Young Jock's morning show. Let's go ahead and get into it.
This is Pierce.
How you doing this morning, Pierce? How can we help you?
I'm really, not feeling, all that. I had a situation where the young lady I was dating and everything had got pregnant. We had split for not that long, and she ended up getting pregnant by this guy, with her ex. And I kind of told her that I didn't want to, be a part of the whole situation. I don't think, it was right for me to be in that kid life. And, I just felt like I should just part ways. I gave it some time and some thought. I made a bad mistake. I want to try to rekindle the situation.
So what made you come to that decision?
I just gave it some time, and, at that point, I just really felt like, she betrayed me in a way. But when I went to a couple of my friends, and they was like, to be honest, man, y'all was separated or whatever, so it ain't really like she did anything wrong. You did your thing, and she did hers, so I just really gave it some time.
Now, let me ask you this, because before we try to get this girl on the phone, how did it end when you stepped away?
She felt bad. I felt bad, and she was like, it wasn't like we were together when I did, so it wasn't like she cheated on me. But in my mind, I was just like, man, I just couldn't even believe it. I just thought about the whole situation, and just felt like I could come back and be a real asset to her and the kid.
Wow, that's commendable.
Okay, so what's your girl's name?
Jamila.
You ready to get back with Jamila?
Yeah, I feel like I'm ready to step up to the plate.
Although this isn't your child she's pregnant with.
Right, I feel like I can be the better father.
Oh.
Hey, man, that's very commendable, man. You're a stand-up guy.
OMG, he just told him that it was commendable. Pierce called up. He said he's trying to get back with his girl. He broke things off with her because she found out that she was pregnant. And not with his child, but she got pregnant by her ex. After talking to some of his friends, they said, "You tripping? Why did you leave her?" And they're saying that because when she got pregnant by her ex, Pierce admitted that their relationship was off. So yeah, she didn't cheat on you, but after a short break, she shows up pregnant with another man's baby. That's a sign to stay off permanently. You don't reconcile with this. So after talking to his friends, he had a change of heart. He says, "I want to take care of this baby. I'm going to step up to the plate and take care of this baby. I can be a better father than your ex whose baby it really is." And then you have Young Jock up here calling it commendable. This is messy as I don't know what, man. I can't.
What we're going to ask you to do is put your phone on mute. Don't say a word. We're going to try to get Jamila on the phone and see if we can put y'all back together, bro, okay?
All right, thank you, man.
All right, hold on. Oh, he out there, damn.
Man.
What in the hell?
Well,
This his way.
What happens when the new baby come and the father just wants to have this super attachment to his child?
He gonna have to fight.
And that's another thing. How are you going to tell the biological father that you're going to be a better father to his kid than him? Oh my God, this is crazy. Like, where did they get this guy from? Dr. Boyce Watkins, come and get your friend.
We want to ask you a few questions. The first question is, are you in a relationship?
Yes, sort of.
Let me ask you this. Does the person you're in a relationship with know that you're in a relationship with them?
Of course.
How's that relationship going, ma'am?
It's going well. It's going much better this go round.
This go round.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this go round. Okay, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What is his name?
I don't really want to say his name.
So is his name Pierce?
No.
Ooh.
Listen, she already moved on to a whole nother man. And how many of y'all want to bet that it's not the baby daddy?
Are you expecting anything soon?
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
Okay. Well, Pierce had called us. He given us a call this morning and made mention that you guys had went your separate ways. And somewhere in this space, he had a defining moment to come back to you because you was everything that he needed and more. So I guess this is the point where Miss Shanika will inform you of these
Pierce
matters at hand.
Is on the phone and he wants to tell you something.
What's up? I got stuff to do. What's going on, Pierce? What's up?
I just felt like the time that we separated, I had time to think, and a lot of people were telling me that I probably made a mistake and I shouldn't have left you like I did. I felt some kind of way, and now I want to see if there's a second chance that I can step up and so we can be a family,
You didn't come to this realization on your own. You had to speak to someone else to come to this realization.
Yeah, he probably had a one-on-one with Boyce Watkins and Boyce told him to step up. So he had a change of heart. This is crazy, brother. You made the right decision the first time. Why are you doing this?
Yeah, because I had to ask, was I doing the right thing or the wrong thing? That's why.
So you're not man enough to realize if you did the right or wrong thing on your own?
I had to get confirmation.
You a day late and $1 short, buddy. I mean, seriously. This is ridiculous. I was devastated when you made that decision. I felt like I'll accept it, but now you...
That's the overlap.
Okay, what do you expect me to do right now at this very moment?
Be with me.
For what?
Because I
You can leave me again?
So let me ask you a question. He didn't really break it down for you. You kind of broke it down a little more. The man wants to be with you. He wants to step in and do what is, I guess he thinks is needed to make you guys a happy and whole family.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, it's real simple. What's it gonna be?
Absolutely not.
Oh,
no.
God.
Why not?
Because I've moved on. Where you were lacking, another man stepped up to the plate, and I'm gonna rock with him.
What?
Hey, and that's it right there. How you feel, Pierce?
I'm not feeling it at all.
I don't like it. You deserve better, Pierce. You can go
Right now.
thing with somebody else and not have that baggage attached to it.
Nah, Pierce, I don't feel sorry for you, Pierce. You played yourself. If you would have called me, I would have told you the truth. But nah, your friends, they did not tell you the right thing. Simps don't give good advice on relationships to men or women. Because if you hang around too many other men with simp blood in them, then you're going to become a simp too. If he's a pretty good friend otherwise though, y'all can stay friends, but don't talk about your relationship with him. Y'all broke up. During the breakup, she happened to get pregnant by her ex. Like really, who's running around getting pregnant that fast? Your mind told you no the first time. When y'all got back together and you found out that she was pregnant, you cut it off. Now your body's calling you back over there. And I say it's your body because we know it's not your heart. And this time she was the one who dissed you. Now she's found another sucker to take your place. Let him have it. This stuff is crazy. And Pierce, I really hope you hear this. I understand you got your feelings hurt on the radio, but this was a really good simp intervention for you. I hope you've learned your lesson from this experience. You learned to leave these 304s alone Learn to make logical decisions and trust yourself. Just don't ever do this again. If a woman ever shows up with another man's baby in her stomach, I don't care if it's your wife, it's time to get the stepping. Brittany Renner said it was stepdad season. Is she right? Or was this guy just crazy? Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. Shout out to Hurt Pockets, Amoily, and Dark Power. Thank you all for your support for this channel. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel as well. The links to Cash App and PayPal, you can find them below. Ladies, fellas, want a balance analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.